Hey Arctic Warriors, what's up? Arctic Phoenix here. We finally got a win in fantasy football. Of course, new acquisition there. Carson Said didn't really pull their weight, neither Mark Andrews. But the reason why I won, the three-head monster of Zach Charbonnet, Milik Nabors, and Aaron Jones. All three of these guys came up big for my fantasy team this week. And without one of those guys, I'd be 0-3. So, yeah, Bijan Robinson was decent as well. My opponent had Goff, NTN, and Metcalf. Moss who performed well. But at the end of the day, my best guys beat his best guys. Finally got the fantasy football monkey off my back. Win number 1 this year. Hopefully, you can win number 2 next week. Thank you. Have a nice day. Peace.